Choosing the best new digital oscilloscope for your needs can be challenging, especially now as there are so many more things you can do with the scope. Where will it be used? On the bench, or does it need to be portable for traveling to a customer site? Do you need to project the image for lots of people to see, or is it just for your use? How many electrical signals do you need to measure at once? Analog and digital signals? What is the highest frequency of signal you need to measure? What bandwidth do you need? Remember, when you need a good representation of a 50 MHz square wave, you need a scope bandwidth of at least 500 MHz. Cost and bandwidth are related. What are the maximum and the minimum amplitudes of signals that you need to measure? Are your signals repetitive or single shot? Do you need to view signals in the frequency domain, spectrum analysis, as well as the time domain? What is your budget? With these factors in mind, see our latest newsletter here for a few criteria to consider before making or regretting your next purchase. Thank you for watching.